This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, May 11th, 2021. Want to take a look here at this move by EOS. It is up about 40% for the day, trading as close to 13 as possible based on whatever exchange you are looking at. Now, let me, for a second here, just mention that we are seeing US markets showing signs, and they're just signs yet, of the potential for this movement lower that has been pending in the market for many years. So as I record this, we are seeing EOS pushing to fresh intraday highs, now above 13. Now in this video, from an educational standpoint, I want to discuss this look where we see this breakout on the 4-hourly. Now I have an issue with this breakout personally, is because of this big long bar. In other words, yesterday it was trading under 9. In fact, even the lows for the session are at just above 9. Actually, the low for the session is at 8.7. So, if you take the lows of today, and now that it is up about 40%, and what it is doing on this 4-hourly is it is essentially breaking out above the recent 4-hourly closing high. So this is not what you want to see for a quality breakout. The problem here is that this is coming so deep from the base and now breaking out. Chances of running out of gas and rolling over. And in other words, let me put it another way. Chances that these are essentially a trap. So if you are not paying attention to the quality of this breakout, generally speaking, you want your breakout to come after sideways action. So in a general situation, you want the stock to move higher, settle down for a while, and then break out. But if the base goes all the way down and then tries to break out, these types of deep base breakouts tend to be problematic. Remember, this pullback in the general US market, as far as stocks are concerned, is gonna start showing up on the cryptos big time. At least that's my point of view. Now, something else to consider here is where the RSI is trading. The probability that this ends up showing negative divergence are very high. So I would be very cautious not to chase this, because this is not what you want to see when a stock, an instrument, a crypto is breaking out. This is not sideways action. This is a breakout from a deep base, very deep base. And it could have been preferred if it could have inched itself over time and then break out. That's a more stable breakout. This one, not so good. Hence, I suspect this move is ultimately a trap. Now, how do you know that this is not something you want to be holding in the short term? For those of you who are small time frame traders, take this hourly closing high, which is a breakout level in essence, and that is just under 1250 ish, 1250, 1260. So if we take this line right there, the main red flag, the warning flag, the one that tells you this is smelling like, looking like, showing signs of being a red flag, will come when we drop back below this number. In other words, should you see a failed 4-hourly breakout, that's your sign. This is primed for a sharp, strong, no-nonsense sell-off. Remember again, we've seen many stocks, many leadership stocks in 2020. Many leadership stocks have broken down. And if you go back and take a look at those leadership stocks on their way to breaking down, one of the main characteristics before they picked was a failed breakout attempt. So I would say be on the lookout here for a failed breakout attempt. Why? Because the base is poor in its formation. And because the foundation of this breakout is not good, chances of breaking down are very high. Failed breakouts are notorious for taking instruments lower, as I always say. So, be it. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Love light, light love. Namaste. And oh, if I take a look here while I was recording, it's even gone higher. And still, the same conclusion here, a very deep base. Should this show failed breakouts, be on the lookout. That's it from me for now. Eric Muathe, as always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Namaste. Adonai, my friends. Adonai.